Man, to be honest, I don't really like people like that. I mean, I understand, yeah, you kill people, but honestly, you kill them over and over and over and over and over.
That's like Murph. They just
But
like to kill people. You should hear if you're ever in
well, I
chat
say
with
if they like to
Tom.
kill people, they should go play on the server. What was it, DTC or something, where there's like 50 people on there all the time. Then go kill, have their fill. Know what I mean?
Oh no, no, he's not that brave. He get killed too many times.
Yeah, so that's when they plays on this server and kills everybody. Cause
He
he,
doesn't kill everybody. He gets killed too. But the thing is you should hear him in TeamSpeak. He laughs uncontrollably when he kills someone. It's like he goes hysterical, and you're going, "Golly, man, it's really not that
so
bad."
basically, if he got in the army, he would just bloodlust. Well, actually, they
Well,
wouldn't
no,
even
I
let him
don't
in the
think he's
army
brave
then.
enough to do that. I think he
Now I'm
long,
coming